Class 10 Political Science, Chapter 4 Gender, Religion and Caste, Part 4. In our previous video, we have learned about communalism and secular state. Today, we are going to learn caste and politics. Caste division is a special inequalities in India and some forms of labor division in India. Caste politics, caste inequalities are still continuing in the fields of hereditary occupation to form a social community, marriages and social gatherings. Members of the same caste group were supposed to form a social community, practiced similar occupation, married within the same caste group, and did not eat with members from other caste group. Caste system was based on exclusion of and discrimination against the outcast group. Political leaders and social reformers like Jyotiba Phule, Gandhiji, B.R. Ambedkar, and Periyar Ramaswamy Naicker fought against inequalities in the society. They worked to establish a society in which caste inequalities are absent. Due to other socio-economic changes, caste and caste system in modern India have undergone great changes. As for example, urbanization, occupational mobility, education and transport system, the weakening of the position of landlords in villages, and the old notions of caste hierarchy are breaking down. In urban area, it does not matter much who is walking along next to us on a street or eating at the next table in restaurant. Casteism is rooted in the belief that caste is the sole basis of social community. According to this way of thinking, people belonging to the same caste belong to a natural social communities and have the same interest. Caste continues to be closely linked to economic status. Caste is one aspect of our experience, but not the only relevant or most important aspect. Let us see caste in politics. Caste can take various forms in politics. Political leaders keep in mind the caste composition, appeal to caste sentiment, to muster support. So when governments are formed, political parties usually take care that representatives of different castes and tribes find a place in it. Caste alone cannot determine elections results in India. Universal adult franchise and the principle of one person, one vote compelled political leaders to gear up the task of mobilizing and securing political support. It also brought new consciousness among the people of castes that were treated as inferior and low. The focus on caste in politics can sometimes give an impression that elections are all about caste and nothing else. That is far from true. No parliamentary constituency in the country has a clear majority of one single caste. No party wins the vote of all the voters of a caste. Many political parties may put up candidates from the same caste. The ruling and sitting MPs, MLAs frequently lose election in our country. Not only the caste matters in electoral politics, but other factors also matters. The voters have a strong attachment to political parties which is more stronger than their attachment to their castes. Rich and poor, men and women from the same caste often vote very differently. People's assessment of the performance of the government and popularity of the leaders are often decisive in election. In the next video, we will learn about politics in caste.